They believed if they could possess it, the great power of creation would be theirs. And one day, the most daring of them all voyaged across the vast ocean to take it.
Ano itong Animal Kingdom? Iba na kinakain mo at panyo na yun. Nauubo siya.
Hoy, Pogi!